guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to teach you how to make a responsive 3D animated play button using HTML CSS JavaScript very easily in a creative way. So as I said, let's see how to make a responsive 3D animated play button. Before going to the video, we are reminding you that if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe now and turn on the bell notification. So let's go to the video. Okay, first of all you have to open the Visual Studio Code and create the HTML file, CSS file and JavaScript file and upload the order that I am doing this code. So this is how we created a responsive 3D animated play button using HTML CSS JavaScript. I hope this video is very important to you. Also please help me by subscribing my YouTube channel so you I meet again with a creative video like this. I am leaving for day. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.